everyone. I'm Trisha Hendricks. Thank you for joining us. The Arizona Department of Health Services has just released new numbers on coronavirus cases statewide. Right now, DHS is reporting there are now 7,648 confirmed cases and 320 deaths. Now, the number of cases are up from yesterday when there were 7,202 confirmed cases and 304 deaths. And new this morning, nearly 4 million more people have filed for weekly unemployment claims. That means at least 30 million people have been furloughed and laid off in the past 6 weeks.
Our stay home, stay healthy, stay connected order is extended through May 15th with modifications.
So there you have it. The coronavirus pandemic has Governor Doug Ducey extending the current stay-at-home order for 2 more weeks. But there is some hope. With those changes, the governor mentioned the state is gradually moving toward reopening. Here's the breakdown. Retail stores can start reopening Monday if they follow physical distancing and offer services by appointment only with curbside pickup or delivery. The goal for restaurants to start reopening by May 12th. They've already been working on safety guidelines, but bars, gyms, movie theaters, and hair salons must remain closed, or else they're going to face penalties.
This is an order that is enforceable by law. A violation is a $2,500 fine and up to 6 months in jail. And for those that own an establishment and are publicly going to flaunt the order, you are playing with your liquor license. Don't do that.
All right, so here you hear it. You're hearing it right here. Definitely some harsh penalties if you don't go along with what the governor is ordering right now. In a joint letter, the mayors in Phoenix, Tucson, and Flagstaff, who represent nearly a third of the people in the state of Arizona, are all supporting the governor's decision to extend the stay-at-home order. As for nursing homes, which are hotspots for COVID-19 cases, there's been a strong outcry for better reporting on the numbers. But as of right now, there will be no change in reporting of cases or deaths.
I don't know that they actually have to release the number of cases or deaths, but we are asking them to be transparent.
Why not? That's a fundamental question. Why not?
This is something that is very important. I think people put a lot of trust in us with their communicable disease information, and it is state law.
The governor says his own mother is in a nursing home, and he's comfortable with how things are right now. For the second time in a little more than 2 months, President Donald Trump will make a trip right here to the Valley. The White House confirmed the president will visit Phoenix next Tuesday to visit a Honeywell facility that's now making N95 masks. At the end of March, Honeywell announced it would start making the masks to support the government's response to the coronavirus, and it would hire 500 workers. Governor Ducey telling us people should not gather for the president's visit.
I'm going to Arizona, and that's a little bit different. That's having to do with industry, because it's too soon for the big everybody get together and stand next to each other crowds.
The president's always welcome in Arizona. If we don't set the White House travel schedule from the governor's office.
If large amounts of people show up, though, are you going to do anything for people?
I'm asking people to stay home, stay healthy, and stay connected.
A strict order from Governor Ducey there. The president has limited his travel due to the pandemic, but told reporters today he also plans to visit Ohio in the near future. 500 TSA agents across the nation testing positive for coronavirus. 2 of them are right here in the Valley at Phoenix Sky Harbor. The agency says 4 TSA workers have died. The good news in all of this, though, 208 TSA employees have already recovered. Nearly 40% of the positive cases came from employees working at 3 major airports in the New York City area. All right, let's take another look at the new totals of the coronavirus cases just released by the Arizona Department of Health Services. DHS is reporting there are now 7,648 confirmed cases and 320 deaths. The number of cases up yesterday when there were 7,202 confirmed cases and 304 deaths. Taking a closer look at the numbers here in Maricopa County, according to the County Health Department, there are 3,951 confirmed cases, and there are now 145 deaths. 686 or 665 people, that is, remain in the hospital and 198 in the ICU. Don't forget, you can always find the latest information surrounding the coronavirus and how it's affecting Arizonans. Go to our 12 News app. It's a free to download service. It's a great resource if you don't already have it. You're going to want to check it out. Thanks for joining us for this latest update. Have a great day and stay safe, Arizona.